In this video, I'm going to talk about QuickBooks Online, new look of left navigation bar. So I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online. So this is left-hand navigation bar. It looks like this, and it just looked different. I will show you the previous version. Okay, so it used to look like this. The plus new is still there. Dashboard, banking. So when you say banking, it'll go to your own bank accounts, then sales, customers and leads, cash flow, expenses, projects, payroll, reports, taxes, mileage, my accountant, capital, and apps. Now, uh, this new version, the one I'm looking at, it looks different. Left-hand navigation bar looks different. Okay, so I'm going to talk about the new look. Okay, so now it looks like this. The plus new is still the same. If you click it, it's manually uh, creating transactions. And so it says get things done. So I'm on get things done. So basically, if you want to add add and create uh, invoices, this is a workflow for handling money in, like customers, and money out is basically for the vendors, and they have uh, the accounting and reports type. So this one is still the same. Okay, so let's look at the business overview. And now they have a business overview. They have a cash flow, and then reports. So you can run reports from here, and planner. You can do some cash flow planning, and then you have a projects. Okay, and then in here, but if you click banking, you think it's your own bank account. That's not the case. So it's basically, it takes you to QuickBooks checking. So you can open uh, bank account with QuickBooks, and uh, so it's just apply in minutes. So this basically, it takes you to their uh, bank banking uh, feature. Okay, and they have a business credit, PPP, and then basically they get paid and paid. So it's a customer one. So get paid is customers, and pay is all the vendor stuff. We click it here. It's all the vendor stuff. And customers and leads, they have a customers list is the same one. Then they have a marketing too. This is the MailChimp one. See all the plans in here. And they have a commerce. This one is a separate service. So if you do business online, so this is where you come. Uh, so this one, I think, is coming. Uh, so you can look at it. This one is pretty new feature. And then the payroll is still the same. Takes to the payroll, QuickBooks payroll feature. And then the bookkeeping. So this is the one, QuickBooks Online bookkeeping. If you do all of bookkeeping, this is where it is. Rules, bank rules, chart of accounts. If you want to use QuickBooks tags, and this is another one, export live booking if you want their bookkeeping services. And then my accountant is your own accountant, and reconcile is you reconcile your bank accounts. Okay, and then taxes, um, they have a one for the sales tax. This is the sales tax one, and if you have payroll, then you will have a payroll taxes also. And then apps one, you can buy apps from here. All kinds of apps in here. Okay, so now uh, the new one is the let's remove this one here, live bookkeeping. So they have a bookmarks feature in here, and you can add bookmarks from the list. So like if you want to add bank transactions. So this is normally if you have your own bank and want to add transactions, download transactions. So you need this, and if you want the customers field, you want to create invoices, and then vendors. So vendors. So you can select the ones you need and you remove if you don't need it. And if you have employees and expenses, create invoices. If you have 1099 contractors type, just add those. Now it's all added in here. Let's say you don't need this, just remove it, bank transaction. So we click it here. So this is where you connect your bank account. It used to be like just banking transactions. Now you can do it from here. So you need to add those, like all these in here, all the bookmark stuff, Now it's collapsed a little bit in here, so you can go all the way up. So basically, bookmarks plus. So whatever you want, you can add it in here. So if you want customers, just add customers in here, or you can import too. Vendors, you can add manually or import. Employees, we have payroll with them. With Intuit, you can do it. And entering expenses, add expenses manually, like this. You can do it. Basically, if you are bank connected, you won't need to do manual transactions, Okay, so and let's say you don't need this, let's remove this. Okay, so now it's less. And then you have menu settings, you can customize, give feedback, you can send in some feedback if you don't like whatever you see in here, and learn about the business view, like this, the articles and stuff. Okay, so this is the new look of left navigation bar in QuickBooks Online. You may not see it right now, but this is just a new look to the new release. Found it. Okay, so hope this is helpful to you. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.